Manila. FM wala.
Wow!
Elmo
Grabe si Arkin.
Arkin Magalona. But that's not all. Wait, there's more. Nandito rin si Sab, si Maxine, si Clara, and of course, Pia Magalona. Kasama rin nila si Coach.
Coach Pia Nazareno Acevedo to tell us more about the Francis Magalona Foundation.
Hello, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.
Good afternoon!
Happy birthday, Francis Magalona!
Happy birthday, Papa!
Maraming salamat, Itbulaga, as usual, for having us here today. You're our family, of course. And we're here, of course, to promote our launch for the Francis Magalona Foundation.
Para saan daw ba to, Pia? Ang daming nagtatanong.
Oo. Kung nakita niyo yung AVP kanina, ina-explain more detailed doon na ang legacy kasi ni Francis M ay edukasyon. Ang edukasyon ay hindi lang naman nakukuha yan sa mga eskwelahan. That is formal education. Pero education begins at home, sa magulang, sa pag-raise ng children in the right way. So it's good parenting. So we partnered with OneCore because they have the tools to teach the skills to children so that when they have their own families also in the future, so we have a better Philippines, diba? We have a brighter future.
Very nice. At may mga programs na ba, activities na naka-line up, Pia?
Yes. Coach Pia. Pia and Pia. Pia and Pia.
Diba? Tabi-tabi ka kayo tatlong Pia. Para kayo mapiyaya.
Para tayo nabasa, tapos dumami.
Yeah, kasi yung mga programa natin, 3 specific programs yan.
Okay.
The first one is Born to be a Hero. We launched this book already last year. Bestseller na ito. You can get your copy. Then we also have My Survival Guide. Yun yung mga hindi tinuturo sa school.
Yun
Pero
nga,
kailangan natin alam
sinasabi
sa
nyo
buhay
kanina.
Para
natin.
maging well-rounded tayo.
Oo, tapos meron pang Emancipate,
Yes.
which is for lesbians, gays, transsexuals, bisexuals. Specific yan sa
Huwag po
needs
kayo
natin.
tumingin sa akin.
Talagang ikaw napaka-defensive.
We are the first and only
Huwag niyo pong
who
direct yung
offers
paningin
that
niyo sa akin.
program.
Oo, para hindi, diba, hindi na-judge yung mga tao. Tsaka we help give people skills and the tools to deal with life's changes and also the problems that we're going through para hindi tayo empty-handed, diba?
We have to be creative na kasi how to love our country. And why we say find meaning in the Filipino. FMF,
Yun
find
na nga,
meaning in the
no?
Filipino. So we have programs. And if you go to the site, www.francismagalona.foundation.com,
Yeah.
you will see all of the services there. You will see it all
Okay.
there.
How else may they apply?
Okay, so we're looking for people to support us. That's one. And then we're also looking for people that we can service. So beneficiaries rin. So you can go to the site again or call us at 4364-143, or you can follow us on Facebook, Francis M. FDN Foundation, or twitter.com/Francis M
_FDN
Foundation. Ayun, nandiyan naman pala.
Maraming salamat. Of course, my children want to say something na maraming salamat for...
Mauna ka na.
Siyempre salamat, maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagsuporta. Na siyempre kahit wala na dito si Francis Magalona, nandyan pa rin kayo, patuloy na sumusuporta sa kanyang musika, sa lahat ng mga messages, sa lahat ng mga mensahe adikain na gusto niyang iparating sa mga Pilipino. Siyempre, paano natin matutulungan ang bansa natin kung hindi natin ito mamahalin, di ba?
Tama.
Kaya dapat maging proud tayo sa pagiging Pilipino. Yun lang naman yun lang yung kailangan gawin.
Sap!
Ngayon, birthday ni Francis M. Sana celebrate with him. Buy one of his shirts na ako yung in charge
Magsuot tayo ng
website.
FMCC.
FrancisMclothing.com. Thank you so much sa pagsuporta doon. Thank you.
Elmo, I know there's a benefit concert, di ba?
Yes, yung benefit concert is on October 8 yan, sa Saturday.
Sa Saturday na
yan.
to?
Yes, sa Zirco yan. Zirco sa Tomas Moro to, from 10 p.m. onwards. Kaya makita niyo yung mga iba't ibang Magalonas doon din. And then may mga special guests.
Mga kapatid
Si Ogie, si Michael V.
And then, yun, sila Michael
Jose
V.
and Wally, of course.
Wally.
Of course.
Ang dami.
Ang dami. So,
Si Julian
San Jose.
Mr.
Julie
Ogie
Ann San Jose.
Oh, Elmo.
Oy!
And then,
And of course, you have the band
ito rin, may
called
bagong
Earnville.
shirt na labas, yung shirt design.
Ganda nga eh.
This is, nilabas lang siya today. It says, bless the man if his heart in the slander one. Yan, para sa 3 stars in the sun niya.
Nice.
So it's like a birthday
Edition
gift
shirt.
namin.
That's my
Birthday, yes.
idea, yung t-shirt na yan. Ako nag-isip niya.
Grabe naman. Baka naman may masabi din naman si Arkin.
Arkin.
Happy birthday, Papa. I hope you're proud of us always.
This is sure he is, Arkin. Clara.
Lars?
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Papa. We hope that you are safe and sound in heaven, and that you are also proud of us all. Thank you.
For sure.
Wala silang classes today, ha? Baka may nagka-question dyan. Because it's World Teachers Day in their school today,
Basta sa Saturday, fundraising show for Francis Magalona Foundation sa Zirco. Baka pumunta din ako dun, ah.
Saturday.
Tak.
Okay, thank you, Coach Pia. Thank you, Pia Magalona. And all the Magalonas today. Thank you, Eat Bulaga. As usual, I love you, Eat Bulaga. Love you.
Sa lahat. Walang sawa nagsusuporta kay Kiko. Dito sila lahat. At susunod na, semifinal sa Pamilyang Pinoy Henyo sa pagbabalik ng
Happy birthday, Francis!